Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Down by the indoor market. I'm going to have a look, walk up and see what bars and shops are open. So on we go. What these shops will be open now. All seem to have opened up again. Doing a bit of business. I should imagine they're doing a lot of business, but it's got to be worth them opening. Lovely sunny day again. It's not over busy up this way. We're going to carry on and have a look at the bars up the top as well. Come to the other entrance of the indoor market now. KFC over the road there. It's back open now. You can go and sit in now inside. There's a big supermarket. The same as the shops are open there, guys.
Hello!
Back to normal.
Welcome to Gotham City. Where is Batman? Where is Robin? I don't know.
Know what that was all about, guys?
Enjoy.
No
Welcome.
idea.
Gotham City.
Obviously wanted to be on camera. Just look past the bank there. There seems to be a few more people just on this round this corner. Exchange rate 115 today. Just a little bit of wind. Not too much at all. Hardly anything. One of these restaurants haven't opened up again yet. And I know that's because they've still got a bit of restriction inside. These places have not got much terrace, so maybe that's why they're not opened yet. The Dynastic, that looks like it's open. I think that's been open all the way through, so fantastic pool out the back. It's amazing how green it is around some of these hotels. There you go, guys. I'm going to put book for the dynastic. Website is on screen. And have a look on there. See if we can get a direct price and see if it's cheaper. Once you can come over. Good news is the Union Jack's back open. New owners. Hope they do well in there. Got a few in. See how they go.
Hi guys.
Guys.
How are you? Right.
Be a lot of shops open, but not too many people here at the moment. Get some of these hotels open now, I think, and be a bit of business for them again then. The music tavern, there don't seem to be anything being done with that at the moment. I think they're waiting to find new owners for it, or new somebody to rent it again. I think it's actually up for sale. I think they're waiting for somebody to rent it off them again. Over the road you can see around town. Where they do the newspaper and lots of other bits and pieces for around Benidorm. You got the Blue Island up there and the Chinese restaurants. But I think a lot of those may be opening up soon.